Welcome to today's video, where we'll be going over how to perform the leg curl exercise with perfect form. Leg curls are a fantastic exercise for targeting your hamstrings and glutes, and can be performed using a machine or with resistance bands. We'll be covering how to do both variations today. Part 1. Using a machine. Let's start by using the machine for leg curls. Here are the steps. Step 1. Adjust the machine. Adjust the machine to fit your body. The pad should be resting just above your ankles and your legs should be straight out in front of you. Adjust the weight according to your fitness level. Step 2. Get into position. Sit on the machine with your back against the backrest and grip the handles. Your legs should be straight out in front of you and your knees should be slightly bent. Step 3. Lift your legs keeping your knees bent. Lift your feet up towards your buttocks. Keep your legs parallel to the floor and exhale as you lift. Step 4. Lower your legs slowly. Lower your legs back to the starting position while inhaling. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions, and aim for 3 sets. Part 2. Using resistance bands. Now let's go over how to perform leg curls with resistance bands. Step 1. Anchor the band. Anchor the band at the base of a sturdy object like a door or squat rack. Step 2. Secure the band. Secure the band around one ankle and lie on your stomach with your legs straight out behind you. Step 3. Lift your legs slowly. Lift your foot towards your buttocks, keeping your legs straight and exhaling as you lift. Step 4. Lower your legs slowly. Lower your foot back to the starting position while inhaling. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions, then switch legs and repeat on the other side. Aim for 3 sets on each leg. Part 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Now that we've gone over how to perform leg curls perfectly, let's go over some common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Using momentum. Don't use momentum to lift your legs. Instead, use slow and controlled movements to target your hamstrings and glutes. Mistake 2. Lifting your hips. Don't lift your hips off the bench when performing leg curls on a machine. This takes the focus away from your hamstrings and places it on your lower back. Mistake 3. Not fully extending your legs. Make sure you fully extend your legs at the starting position before beginning each repetition. This ensures that you're getting a full range of motion. Part 4. Conclusion. That wraps up today's video on how to perform leg curls perfectly. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled. Focus on proper form, and avoid common mistakes. Leg curls are a great exercise for building strong, toned hamstrings and glutes. Incorporate them into your workout routine and you'll start seeing results in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks.